Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Wi-Fi icon is missing into your computer. You can see into your taskbar at the right side, you can see your Wi-Fi icon is not showing. So how are you going to fix it? Very simple. You just need to come over into your search option over here, and here you just need to search for view network connections. After you getting this best match, click on that. And you can see that the Wi-Fi is disabled showing over here. So from here, if you click on the right mouse button, there will be enable options over here. So if you click on enabled, after a short turn, you can see your Wi-Fi is enabled. And now if you look at your taskbar, you can see your Wi-Fi is coming out from the taskbar over here. You can see. So this is how you can simply enable your Wi-Fi icon if it's visible into your computer. If this problem fix your Wi-Fi issues, then you just need to comment into the video section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for other videos. Till then, goodbye.